Today, we will learn how to give float effect to an object or text in Premiere Pro. First of all, place the object in the timeline. Now place the navigator on the first frame and go to the Effect Controls panel and turn on the toggle animation of position. Forward the frames of the timeline to 1 second and move the position Y value a little up or down. Now again, forward frames to 1 second and undo the position value. Now select all the 3 keyframes and copy them using Ctrl+C. Now go to the last keyframe and paste them using Ctrl+V. Now again, select all the keyframes and right-click on any one keyframe. Then go to Temporal Interpolation and select Ease in option. Right-click again and go to Temporal Interpolation and select Ease Out option. Similarly, you can apply this effect to text as well. That's all for today. If you liked the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. GraphiX Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, GraphiX Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.